Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Jitrit, and today we are going to be opening up a package from Curst Kosmetics. Which is this? Now, I did get reached out to be an affiliate for this makeup brand, so we are going to try it out together, and if you like it, you can go ahead and use my code to get 10% off. Alright, let's get started here. Alright, so right away when I open the package, there's a lot of these foamy things, which is gonna be hard to throw away because of my cats. One of them is already eyeing them up. Better not come over here, sir. Watching you. No, go over there. No. It's not kitty approved. No. Okay. So I only got a couple things. I think I got some lipsticks was majorly what I got. Oh, and a palette. Okay. So I'm gonna show you the palette first. And this is just an invoice. And just cute. Okay. So I got the Paranormal palette. I thought the colors on this one was really nice. I like more colorful shadows rather than the neutral ones. So yeah. I love how it says, did you see that over here? And then here are the colors. Aren't they amazing? I love that. There's so many like nice shimmers. Like I love Night Vision and Portal. And then there's Evidence and Haunted. These two. And then Evidence and Haunted. Cute, huh? Oh, I can't wait to try these out with you guys. Alright. That'll be another time because I do need to clean my makeup brushes. Okay, so I got that palette, and I also got these two lipsticks. Oh, nice. There's some application instructions for the lips. It's pretty cool. Alright, so I've been trying out different blacks. Oh, look, it's a little bat. What's in the packaging? That's cute. Okay. So I've been trying different blacks, so I want to try out their black. So this one's Immortal. And then there is Tombstone, which is supposed to be more of a grayish color. I'm trying to find a replacement for the e.l.f. one that was discontinued. My heart has been broken ever since that one was discontinued, so try to get it out. Go. Alright, oh cute. So this one is Tombstone. And look at the, yeah, like I said, more of a grayish color. I've been looking for that replacement one, and it's like a nudish gray type. I don't know how to explain it, but not bad. This is the swatch for that. Oh, Immortal isn't black. Oh, it's a bluish. See, I be forgetting what I'd be ordering. How to get this one out. This is more like a dark teal, I would say. It's such a struggle to get out. There we go. Alright, and this is Immortal. Oh, so that's what it looks like when it dries. It is a matte. Pretty cute. That might be what I'm looking for. I will say I like matte lipsticks more than the glossy ones. Look at that. Oh, I love that so much. Hello. So I forgot to film an outro for this video. So here's future me. Thank you guys so much for watching this short unboxing video. I will be doing a separate video of a makeup look with the Curst Kosmetics, just so you guys could see that. So yeah, that'll be coming out in the next couple of videos. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Tell your friends about it. Comment down below what you think of this video and all that. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.